ಡಿಸಿಎಂ ಡಿಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಆಕ್ರೋಶವನ್ನ ಹೊರಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐಟಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ತೆರಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟುವಂತೆ ಎಐಸಿಸಿಗೆ ಐಟಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಡಿಸಿಎಂ ಡಿಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಆಕ್ರೋಶವನ್ನ ಹೊರಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ಕಾನೂನು ಹರಾಜು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೂಚನೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿರೋಧ ಪಕ್ಷಗಳನ್ನ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆರೋಪಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೋಲಿನ ಭಯದಿಂದ ಎನ್ಡಿಎ ಮೈತ್ರಿಕೂಟ ಹತಾಶೆಗೊಳಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಡಿಸಿಎಂ ಡಿಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಸಾಲು ಸಾಲು ಆರೋಪಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಟೀಕಿಸುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Why they are targeting the opposition? That means it shows that they are afraid of the Congress party. They are afraid of India alliance, and India alliance is going to defeat the NDA. This is the weakness what the BJP has understood, that they will lose the election. So they are trying to create all type of fear, including me also. Yesterday night I got a notice from the income tax, which has already been the settled matter.
Even you got a notice?
Yes, including also myself. I was shocked of my personal assets and all. They are creating a lot of this one. CBI officers are going to all the places. Even when there is a matter is in the court also, they are going. And there are so many cases. I don't want to mention of the sitting union ministers, even from Karnataka. But last 4 years, 5 years, no action has been taken. Nothing has been there. No witnesses has been called. No charge sheets have been filed. Only for Congress people, they are just trying to do. And B reports have been given by CBI and various other agencies who all joined to the